Did you know you can make money by watching ads online? Welcome to a revolution in online earning, where the power to earn extra income is just a click away. In our fast-paced digital world, opportunities to make money are no longer confined to traditional workplaces. And one such opportunity that has gained traction in recent years is earning money by watching ads online. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn real money simply by viewing ads from the comfort of your home. No need for specific qualifications or a hefty investment. All you need is a device with an internet connection, a little bit of your time, and a willingness to explore this innovative earning avenue. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate way to supplement your income. So, are you ready to dive into the world of online ad viewing for profit? Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets to effectively monetizing your time spent watching ads. There are various platforms and websites that pay you generously for watching ads. These include reputable companies like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Vindale Research, just to name a few. Each one of these platforms offers unique opportunities to earn by watching ads, providing a legitimate way to supplement your income. But it's not just about clicking on any ad. The key to maximizing your earnings lies in selecting the right ads. High-paying ads often come from established brands and companies looking to get their products or services in front of a wider audience. So, keep an eye out for these types of ads. Additionally, optimizing your viewing time is crucial. It's about finding a balance between the time spent watching ads and the rewards you receive. Prioritize those ads that offer the most return for your time. Remember, it's not just about watching any ad, but selecting the right ones that pay you more. But how do you make the most out of watching ads online, you ask? Well, it's all about strategy. First, aim to watch high-paying ads. These are often longer, but the payoff can be worth it. Secondly, optimize your viewing time. Peak hours often have the most ads available, so be sure to log on then. But there's more. You can also turn this into a passive income source by leveraging referral systems. Many platforms offer incentives for referring new users. Each time your referrals watch ads, you get a percentage of their earnings too. It's a win-win situation. This way, you're not just earning from your own efforts, but also from the efforts of others. It's like having a team working for you. Imagine earning additional income while your referrals also enjoy the benefits of watching ads online. With the right strategies, you can truly maximize your earnings from watching ads online. So, are you ready to unlock your earning potential by simply watching ads online? We've journeyed together through the vast world of online earning, and now it's your turn to take the reins. We've unveiled the secrets of making money by watching ads, introduced you to trustworthy platforms, and shared strategies to maximize your earnings. Remember, the key lies in choosing high-paying ads and optimizing your viewing time. Don't forget about the potential of passive income through referral systems. Turn your spare time into a lucrative income stream. No more endless scrolling or unproductive activities. It's time to make every minute count. You've got the knowledge, and now it's time to put it into practice. Start making money by watching ads online today. Unleash your earning potential. Subscribe, like, and share this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks on making money online.